Afternoon guys, this is day 3 of the demolition. As you can see, you can no longer recognize this house as it was 3 days ago. Now it is mere rubble. No, just look downstairs. You can no longer recognize this house. See, this used to be Ajit Som. See, this is the first floor. This is the second floor. Right now they are demolishing the first floor so that all the concrete that they will take out, they will just throw it on the ground. And then similarly they will cut this lantern and then throw the concrete from there so that it goes directly to the ground. See this? All the wastage is going directly to the ground, all the rubble is going to the ground, and same way he will make a crack here and everything will come down and then to the ground. See, he has done it for every room, that bathroom, this store, this corridor, this store, this hall room. As you can see, you can no longer recognize what it is. It looks like a pure demolished building. Nothing more. See, in the morning we saw this hole when they were cracking this hole. That time in the morning everything looked good. Now everything is rubble. See, this used to be Amrit's room. They have made a hole, and now all the rubble they'll take out and put it on the ground. That's how Hurilal works. ये टीवी में आएगा, इसीलिए बना रहा हूँ. डिस्कवरी में आएगा. See, this is Mr. Hurilal. He's the ठेकेदार. He's the partner with Mr. Shankar.
बताओ अपने बारे में कैसे काम कर.
आप बताओ कैसे कर रहे हो ये काम.
पढ़ाई करते हैं हम लोग.
बोलो जो है टीवी बन रहा है.
दीवार पूरी कर देते हैं.
ये कैसे? पहले इसको तोड़ा, फिर अभी क्या करोगे?
आप पहले नीचे का लेंटर तोड़ेंगे, फिर ऊपर का तोड़ेंगे.
अच्छा,
नीचे से शुरू करते हैं ऊपर से?
नीचे से.
ऐसा क्यों?
पहले ये का लेंटर पीटेंगे.
हाँ,
अब फिर जाके ऊपर का पीटेंगे.
ठीक है.
जब ऊपर का लेंटर पीट जाएगा तब फिर ऊपर की दीवार गिराएंगे.
अच्छा,
जब ऊपर की दीवार गिराएंगे तो ऊपर का जाल खोलेंगे.
ओके.
जब ऊपर का जाल काट देंगे तब फिर नीचे की दीवार गिराएंगे.
नीचे से शुरू करेंगे फिर ऊपर से गिराएंगे.
हाँ.
see, these people, they don't have any formal education, but still they know all the tricks of demolishing the house. They know all the tricks. See, 3 people in 3 days, what they did. If you show this to the Western world, they'll say it's unbelievable. They say you need lot of machinery, you need lot of hard work, lot of patience, and many days to accomplish this task. But here, these 3 guys, 3 days, and I think half of the job is done.